A very good evening to everyone watching this. Hi, I'm Shrestha Majumdar, the co-founder of Intern Bazaar. So, many of you are already aware of the amount of hard work our team has been putting. We have almost spent 3 months of sleepless nights and finally gathered much courage to launch our product finally. So, we present to you Intern Bazaar. We are highly honored to have few delegates from esteemed organization who would like to say a few words on the topic how important upskilling and internships are in today's corporate world and a little bit about our small initiative. Let's hear it from them.
Hi everybody, I'm very pleased to participate in this wonderful launch at Intern Bazaar. It's good to see a lot of detailing, and I love the concept of handholding of new joiners in today's corporate world. Well, internship is very critical for one's understanding of what is expected out of professional in any field. Well, it is the concept of test and learn which will help new joiners in the long run. Moreover, in the days to come, improving one's competencies in the corporate world will be of utmost importance, and this internship will help every individual to understand the need to adapt to the corporate surroundings. I appreciate the effort and zeal at Intern Bazaar to assist the new joiners and wish Intern Bazaar all the best in their new endeavor.
Good evening. In today's corporate world, internship is a very important perspective to have. This is because when students come out from the college, so I mean fresh from the college, they need the requisite expertise and training to be a part of the corporate world. So short-term internships, short-term trainings helps them a lot to get entry into the corporate world. I really appreciate the way Shrestha and Devarjo has gone into the details and are launching a helping platform for the young students and the kids who are coming out of the college, fresh from the college, and to take on to internships and through their internbazaar.com website, how to get a good job and how to behave when you get a good job, how to perform when you get a good job. That is of importance. And I believe this venture of theirs will go a long way to achieve success. Best wishes and for your endeavors. And I believe this concept will definitely be successful and will be useful for the students and the prospective employees who are the pillars of the Indian economy. Best of luck. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Das, HOD in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department in Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology, and I am also the registrar of that institution. Today I am here to tell you about the internship. Internship is very popular nowadays because It helps all the students to get some knowledges about the companies and to get some idea what they are going to do in that company or that institution, whatever they are going to join. So nowadays internship is very important for all the students. So I request all the students who are going to graduate, they should join different kind of internship program in different institution. So it will help them to build their career and brush up their knowledges which they acquired from the university or the colleges. And now I'm going to tell you about Interbazar institution, which is most popular institution, which gives you the knowledge and the training which you require to build your knowledge for that company, for specific company, and which help you to get the job easily. So they provide the job and also the training. And if you want to join there, so go and contact with them, it will help you in your future. So please go and join Interbazar Entrepreneurship. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Nilanjana Guha. I have 6 years of corporate experience in the FMCG domain, which all started with internships while I was in college. While school or college will prepare you for the theoretical side of things, internship provide opportunities for putting those learnings into action. There are some clear benefits to an internship. It helps you figure out what you like and what you don't like. It encourages personal development, but also a greater understanding of self, your strengths, and your weaknesses. It helps you develop your soft skills, which you can learn only on the job. And it also gives you an edge in the job market and possibly a higher starting salary compared to somebody who doesn't have any experience. And it also gives you an opportunity to build your professional network. In the past decade, there has been a change in the job market that has resulted in a learning gap that needs to be addressed. Through upskilling, companies create a more well-rounded, cross-trained workforce that increases a team's effectiveness. Employees want learning opportunities at work, and so they look to their employer for that support. And by providing that upskilling opportunity, it fuels employee motivation and builds loyalty towards the company. It also helps in career advancement and improves retention. By providing upskilling opportunities, it shows that the company cares about the employees and their future, and it also boosts the bottom line of the company. Intern Bazaar provides you with a platform to search for the right internship opportunities, and for experienced professionals who want to upskill themselves and learn and develop more, they can sign up on Intern Bazaar's various training courses and exams. It's a one-stop platform to equip yourself with the skills and the opportunities that you need and want to move to the next step in your career.
So I think enough from me. So I'll just pass on to my other co-founder Debarjo and our lead product developer Shubhranil. Let's find out what they have to say.
Good evening, everyone. I am Debarjo. I'm the co-founder of Intern Bazaar. So, as Shrestha has already mentioned what Intern Bazaar is, so let me just proceed with why Intern Bazaar, or who we are, what exactly are we doing. So, as we know that in today's world, what we require the most to strive in the corporate sector is internships and upskilling courses. Why? Because what education imparts in today's scenario is not enough for you to be a part of the corporate system, because a corporate system and an education world are totally different. Whatever you're taught in schools, in colleges, are not exactly how they implement it in the corporate sector. So coming to why Intern Bazaar. So basically Intern Bazaar is just a one-stop job shop that you can see, and so let me just elaborate it on a more. So this is our logo. It's quite an interesting logo, and there actually lies a story behind it. So let's not get into that. Let's move on to what we have, our products. So here we have internships, we have jobs, we have trainings, we have an auto-proctored screening, we have a doubt clearing zone, and we have an admission assistance portal. So let's begin with the word of one of the greatest human beings, one of the greatest human beings of the tech industry who has survived on this planet, that is Mr. Steve Jobs. He has said that the only way to do great work is to love what you do, and if you haven't found it yet, just keep looking, don't settle. And that's what he actually did. Like, doing a 9 to 5 job is not exactly that something that we like to do or we love to do. Mostly it is something that we are made to do in order to earn a living. And so suddenly we decided, like, why come up with this idea of Intern Bazaar? Like, why do we need this platform? Because the greatest problem that lies in today's scenario, in today's society, is the gap that is between the employers and the employees. So we provide you this platform that brings together the employees and the employees. So I would skip the Intern Bazaar's introduction slide, and I would move on to why or what is this Intern Bazaar. Basically, we are an upcoming portal offering internships for school and college students, and we will be having our job portal. We'll be having an interactive platform, an auto proctor online system, and all the other things, all the other products that I mentioned earlier. So now let me elaborate on each of our products. So this is internships. Internships are for both school and high school and college students. Why high school students? Because we know that the national education policy that has been declared in India by the government of India has brought in a new way of education in India, and that's quite a great way to impart education into their society. That is, they want the school students or the high school students to start taking upskilling courses or to start internships at an early stage. And we really appreciate this move. Why? Because what you are taught in schools and colleges is not exactly how things work in a corporate sector, in the industry, or in the job sector. So if you have a knack for a certain thing, if you have a knack for a certain job or a certain work that you need to do, that you want to do, then you need to do internships. You need to gather that experience. You need to learn what that work is all about, so that you can have a clear idea of what you're getting into. And that is the primary importance of internships in today's sector. The second thing that we have is jobs. There are job postings for both graduates and experienced. And here we know that while most of us land our job after we complete our graduation or post graduations, sometimes after being stuck at the job for 5 years, 10 years, we want to shift to a different sector, or maybe shift to a different company in the same sector. So we provide that ground to all those candidates who want to move out of a particular company, or want to grow, or want to move in for a better opportunity. And we provide you that ground, we provide you that portal to gain that better opportunity, to gain that knowledge of a better job that exists for you, for your qualifications, for your skills, for someone like you. Next is our training courses. We know that while most of the courses are taught in schools and colleges, the practical application of the courses are what is of primary importance, and it has become quite a prerequisite in the companies nowadays, because the companies, they usually prefer certain courses, say a course in digital marketing, say a course in web development, a full stack development, to recruit certain students, because those training courses, those certificate courses help the student gain a better perspective of the work that they're supposed to do in the industry. So we would be designing our self-designed certificate courses and training boot camps, from programming to management to digital marketing courses, to creative writing, to content creation, graphic designing, and a lot of other things. And it will be coming soon to our portal, so stay tuned, because those are the courses that you're going to actually benefit from in the future. Coming to our auto-proctored screening test, we all know that during this pandemic, during the corona, most of the options of work, of recruitment, to education, everything has shifted online. So what is this auto-proctored screening? This is a software that has been developed by us, that is automatically monitored by the webcam and the mic of your computer or of your phone, to screen you or to monitor you while you take a test, so that you do not adopt any unfair means. So this is one of the ways by which the companies can screen the candidates that they're selecting from our portal, and that will provide them an end-to-end solution for recruitment. coming to the two more products that we have, that is a doubt clearing zone. So this is basically a SaaS-based service that we already know that there are students, there are many people who have a doubt in a lot of fields, who have a doubt in whatever they're studying, and most of them are not being able to afford private tuition to clear their doubts, or are not able to get a complete doubt clearance of whatever they do not understand in the schools or colleges. That's why we have brought to you a doubt clearing zone, where the students can take a basic subscription and they can post whatever doubts, whatever queries they have regarding a certain subject, starting from questions to explanations to everything on this portal, and we will have experts from our end who will be providing them a solution for these problems. The next is the admission assistance portal. We know that the students, after graduating from school or graduating from colleges for higher education or post graduation, they suffer in a dilemma what to do, which college to go to, which course to apply for. So we have here our admission assistance portal. This will be a portal or a forum where the colleges will interact with the school students or with the college students to provide them a better perspective on whatever courses that are applied, and they can apply to certain colleges, whatever facilities are available at certain colleges, and what are the fee structures and all the other details, so the students can make a well-informed choice and they can counsel their career guidance from these experts who will be sitting on this end of the colleges. So why do we need internships? Why is this internship so important? Why are we stressing so much on internships and upskill courses? So basically, this is a graph that shows the increasing demand for internships in the corporate job sector. So as we know that 9 out of 10 companies in today's corporate job sector prefer an upskill course or an internship to take in students for the certain job, because an upskills course or internships gives the students a better perspective or the working knowledge of the work they're supposed to do in that sector, and that is why comes the importance of internships. Next, why Intern Bazaar? We know that there are several platforms that offers internships, that offers training courses. Then why do you need to come to Intern Bazaar? So let me begin with the first point, that is, it is the only platform that is offering the internships to both school and college students. The NAP that has been implemented in 2020 is something that we have taken up quite inquisitively, we have taken up quite seriously, and we want to implement this internship idea, this internship this internship culture in the schools, so that the school students can start their internships from an early stage. They can get to know what they're going into, where their knack lies, and they can make a well-informed choice about their career. The second is there are job postings for both freshers and experienced. We do not distinguish between, like, say, job postings for only freshers or job postings for only the experienced candidates, but we are providing a ground where there will be job openings for both freshers and experienced. The next thing is the mock preparation for jobs and internships through an aptitude test. So as we told you, like, we have an auto-proctor screening software that is used by the companies to screen the candidates. We would also be providing a kind of a service through this software where the candidates can prepare themselves for the job interviews. They can prepare themselves for the screening test, for the aptitude test that they're about to appear for a certain job. That helps them be a better or a well-deserving candidate than the other person for that certain job, and that helps them to be acquainted with this online method of screening. The next thing is the portal with the interactive career guidance that assists them in admission. So as I mentioned you, this is quite an unique portal, and taking admission to which college or not taking admission to a certain college is a kind of dilemma we all face in the beginning, and that is why we have this admission guidance portal where the students will be able to make a well-informed career choice. They'll be able to counsel their career needs, and they can enroll to the colleges that will fully satisfy all their requirements. So a timeline to get you started. So how to register to Intern Bazaar? So you just go to our website. Our website is very simple. So it's internbazaar.com. It's BAZR. That's a fancy way of writing a bazaar. And the next is you register, you enter your email ID, an OTP will be sent to your email ID. You get the confirmation email, you put it in your educational qualifications, your skills and everything, and your resume is ready to be downloaded, and then you apply to the jobs and internships that are already available on our portal that are posted by various companies, and you get selected by the companies that find you best in candidate for the certain roles. So this is our team. I am Devarjo. I'm the co-founder. Shrestha Majumdar is the other co-founder. We have already met her from the beginning. She's been narrating the entire event. And Shubranil Chatterjee, he's our lead product developer, and he's been working on the entire website, the products that we are offering, and so that's quite a commendable job that he has done. And so thank you, and this is our email address, office@internbazaar.com. So if you have any queries, you drop in your email. Even you can get a chat box or a form at the website of ours, so that you can have if you have any queries, if you are facing any problems, we are always here at the end to help you. Thank you.
Okay, so I think that was enough from my end and Devaju's end. So let's move on to the technical part, basically to Shubranil.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubhamil Chatterjee and I am the lead product developer for internbazaar.com, and I am here to demonstrate you on how to register on our website and apply for different internships. Our job portal will be launching on Tuesday or Wednesday, the coming Tuesday or Wednesday. You can go ahead with that in a similar fashion, but for now let's start with the internship portal. So once you have logged on to our website, please go on to register. Right on the top right hand corner you can see register. Fill in the details like full name, email, password, confirm password, and everything, just like any other registration form. If you're a student, please click on student. If you're a recruiter, please click on recruiter. Once you're done, please accept our terms of use and privacy policy. You can read each one of those by clicking on their respective names. Once you are done, you will be sent a mail on your given mail ID. Please go ahead, and there will be only one link on which if you click you will get verified. Once you are verified, you will be redirected to the login page, or you can just come here and log in. Come here and route to the login page as well. So since I have already been registered on bazaar.com, I'll just put in my login ID. So once I have logged in, I can see whatever I have, like whatever internships I have applied to, and I can also see the internship details as well. So once we are done with this, we can search for new internships on the search internships page. Once you log on, you can filter internships with these fields. Also, you can see that there are some promoted internships, or I should say recent postings that are available here only. So let's just go on one of them. So you see this is the job page, right? So let's say I want to apply for this web developer post at Intern Bazaar. So what I will be doing is click on apply now and accept. So it says your profile details will be shared to the recruiter, and how to set your profile details, I'll be talking about that within a minute. So if you click on apply, you will get redirected to your dashboard page. Let's see on how we can build our resume or our profile over internbazaar.com, which will automatically get shared to the recruiter. So on the top right hand corner beside logout, if you see there is a thing called profile. If you click on it, it shows my personal details. There are different sections to it which can be filled one after the another. So on the personal details page, I can fill in my personal details and click on save. I have already done that. On the education page, let's say I want to give in my HS degree. So let's say I'm giving any. So I did my HS on 2017. So let's just go over there, and it was in the month of April. So let's just select April 1, and let's say my HS, sorry, my HS end date should be that. Okay, so let's say for an arbitrary value, let's give it on February of 2021. Okay, if I want to give any additional information, I can always go ahead and like type in, like, for example, percentage. Let's say my percentage was 90%, which is actually my percentage was 90%. So if I hit click on save, I can see this has been saved, and if I want to delete it, I can click on delete and it will get deleted as well. You can do the same for experience, you can do the same for skills. So let's say I have a skill called Java and my proficiency is expert. If I click on save and if I check skills, I can see my skills have been saved. So let's say I know French and I'm just a beginner. So let's hit save and we can see that my language and its proficiency has been saved as well. So this is how you build your profile. I think this is like pretty easy to build. And once you are done, and this stays saved whenever your recruiter sees. So let's say you applied to a certain internship today and you updated your profile tomorrow. The recruiter will be able to see your updated profile itself. So this is it about internbazaar.com and how you can get started about it. And you can check our upcoming products from the nav bar and clicking on upcoming product. You can check about us by clicking on about us. And we hope you have a great journey with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting us throughout. Please do register and stay tuned for further updates. If you have any query, you can always mail us at office@internbazaar.com. You can also connect with us through social media platforms. We also have a chat box in our website. You can always drop your texts there regarding your doubts and queries. We'll be there from our end to help you out. And once again, thank you so much.